Hello, this is Akira from Key Operations. Today we are in Toyama. We would like to show you an office building that we completed recently. Our client, Juzen Chemical Corporation, is one of the manufacturers of API, which is active pharmaceutical ingredient. In 2020, they decided to reassemble the administration headquarter function, which was split into the pieces all over the place. The project was called F4J, Future of Juzen Project. Park Corporation and Key Operation were appointed in this project as architects. The site is by Jinzu River within the industrial area with all the plants around. The site is close to the river, so we have carefully checked the hazard map of the area. As the site is within the flood area and the estimated rise of the water level on the basic assumption is up to 3 meters, we raised the main office area and made the pilotis. We only put the entrance lobby and the general service section on the ground floor. There are many advantages if you create this pilotis. The first advantage is for the prevention of the flood damages, which I already mentioned. The second advantage is to keep the snow. As it snows a lot in Toyama, there are always a lot of snow left on the street, and this will be a place to keep the snow temporarily. The most important advantage is to create the traffic. As there are many factories around, the people need to go through, and the street space will really support the traffic within the company site. So let's go inside. The greens are continuous from outside to inside because we wanted to make the entrance hall feel like outside. This entrance lobby is located at the middle of the L-shaped body, as it is functional to have stairs and lifts here. We have a big screen here so that we can show the activities of the company. As you can see the ceiling, we have the timber slats continuing from the pilotis outside towards inside. This makes the inside and outside continuous.
落ち着いた色味になったので、執務のなんていうかデスクワークに関しても気持ち的にも落ち着いてできるような印象にもなりましたし、植物がうちの業種に合わせて薬草ですとかそういったものも入れていただいているっていうことも聞いていて、前に見えていた緑の空間よりもなんというかより自然豊かな感じで外の外観としても見えるので、そういう部分もこの社屋の気に入っている部分かなというふうに思っています。
On the first floor, we have the work area for the main departments. So in this room, we have the sales department and the production planning department. And on this side, we have the manufacturing department and the corporate planning department. The center area between the two areas is the work lounge, where staff can communicate with each other.
簡単にここでパソコンも使って説明していただくんですけど、ここにホワイトボードありますんで、わからない部分とか細かい部分をホワイトボードに上司が書いてくださって、それで自分たちに情報を共有してもらってるっていう感じですね。
簡単な会議とかできるのはすごいいいなとは思ってます。
会議室は本当に会議っていう場で設けさせてもらってますけど、こういったラウンジでするときはざっくばらんに何でも話せるような空間として使わせてもらってますね。
Prior to the office arrangement design, we did the workshop with some of the members of the company in order to figure out what is the best arrangement for their work style. They found out that they want to switch between 3 different working modes. When they want to do solo work on each desk, they want to concentrate. They also want to have group communication mode using the work lounge and also at this kind of small communication table. The third mode is to have much wider communication with the people from the other companies and with the people from the area. It is also important to switch to the relaxed mode in order to refresh their mind. During the workshop, they also mentioned that it would be nice to have a natural warm material inside the office. That is the reason why we introduced these wood slats on the ceiling. It gives a warmness inside the working area. And along the perimeter, we have created the balconies all the way around to have the external space. People can come out and refresh their mind and also enjoy the fresh air in the mid-seasons. The timber slats from inside are continuing towards the eaves outside. It gives a warmness feeling at the balcony and also to the appearance of the building. These eaves created by the balconies are working as a shading control of the facade too. The depth of the balcony is 1.2 meters, and this is decided by the culmination altitude of Toyama. In order not to get any heat during the summer, but in winter we can have the heat gain.
そうですね、ワークショップの中で、会議室の話とか、その簡単にこう会議じゃないけど打ち合わせができるスペースがあったらいいなっていう話はしたかと思うんですけど、それが今、2階であれば、ラウンジのところでそういったのが実現しているなっていうふうには感じます。ちょっと話しようかっていう形でラウンジを活用しているのを最近よく見かけることもあるし、自分もそこは活用しているので、やっぱりちょっと立ち話っていう形で気軽に話せるスペースがあるのは非常に良かったなというふうに感じてます。
私が感じるのはやっぱり光がかなり入ってくるようになったので、部屋全体がとても明るいというか話しやすいような穏やかな雰囲気になっているんじゃないかなというところは感じます。あとは机のこの大きな長机のところの中で、皆さん仕事をされるので、話しかけに行きやすいような相談しやすいようなそういった環境になっているんじゃないかなというふうに私は感じています。
Here we're on the second floor and we have a canteen on this floor. Currently we have 70 staff working in the headquarters, and there are 310 staff in total when you include the staff working at the factories and the other buildings. They will all have lunch at this canteen.
ビビンバが結構大好きで、辛いものが好きだからです。はい、これちょっと初めの方にも出たんですけど、結構ピリ辛で美味しいです。
その日の朝には絶対。
なんか今日プリン選んでらっしゃいますけど。
プリンはもう大好きです。
私結構一人でカウンターで食べて、でちょっと景色見ながら10分ぐらいここで休んでっていう感じが多いですか。
私もだいたいカウンター座って外眺めてから自分の部署のとこに戻ってます。
私この前面接に来た方と面談じゃないですけど、ちょっとトークしてほしいみたいなことがあった時にここでコーヒーいただきながら過ごしました。
なんか講演会とかはここでやられてるのはありましたけど、朝来て勉強されてる方とかおられるらしいんで、ちょっとそれで利用したいなと思ってます。
We have some management SDGs, and this is a book from Hirota-san. He used to work in Rakuten, and then he wrote a book about how he worked. And on the other side, we have a kitchen counter behind the shelves. So we can make a coffee and serve from here. From this window, we can go out to the roof terrace. I think this is the best place in this building. We have seats and tables so people can relax after lunch. We have all different kinds of medical herbs here too. We also have a counter so you can have your coffee with a view of Tateyama. Sometimes they have family day on the weekends and they can have barbecue here and enjoy your beer.
緑も見ながらちょっと窓の外の景色を見ながらとかちょっと息抜きをしながら仕事もできるのでいい環境かなと思います。
ちょっと高いところで会社事業所他の工場も見渡せるぐらいの場所なのでなんか皆さん今日どんなことしてるのかなとか思いを馳せやすくなりましたね。
多分どこかで社屋を建て替えるタイミングが来るなと思ってたんですけど、ただこういったスケール感で結構立派な社屋が建つっていうところまでは正直私自身もイメージはしてなかったですね。はい、やっぱりこのテクノロジーの進化がすごいなと思ってて、かなりその小山さんの方から提示される 3D の画像を見ながらイメージしながら、2年以上ですよねにわたるプロジェクトでこのプロジェクトが進んでいく中ですごく驚いたのはそのイメージに近いものがイメージに近いものの通りに結構出来上がるっていうところは本当に、驚いて、結構その建物を建てた後にイメージしていたものとこの出来上がったものが違うみたいな話は聞くんですけど、結構今回のプロジェクトについてはなんかそういった齟齬がすごく少なく結構この CG 通りに建物が完成するんだっていうなんていうんですかね、そこが個人的にすごく驚きましたね。社屋に引けを取らない従前科学といえば新社屋が素晴らしい会社ではなくて新社屋も素晴らしいし、従業員も、提供するサービスも素晴らしいっていう、ような会社になれるように会社のメンバーと一緒に頑張っていきたいなと思ってます。
So here we're at the reception for the VIP. We didn't put a typical sofa set because they wanted to work here as well. So we have one big piece of timber plank table, and in the middle we have the tin plate, which is from the local area. So let's see the president. Hello. Hi. Nice to see you.
I always say to our employee, let's enjoy working. It means I hope this headquarters will become our base camp to enjoy working. Through the business, I hope our employees to have confidence and a good experience through the business. And as for the working environment, I would like to support them through this new headquarters building. We live in Toyama Prefecture. Toyama Prefecture is a good place. Has a good food, especially fish and water and so forth. Yes. And I hope many people come to Toyama to join Juzen Chemical Corporation. And continuously we live in Toyama locally. And at the same time we would like to work globally. Okay. It's my dream.
Here we're at the top floor. We have a different sized meeting room on this floor. The visitor will go through the entrance lobby and arrive to this meeting lounge. We have the lounge area here, and we have this counter where you can serve drinks to the visitors. From here, you can see the research center on the other side, and you can see the other factories as well, and you can also see the Jinsu River from the stairs as well. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.